All right, so have you ever wondered how some homes look just absolutely perfect when they hit the market? Like every detail is just flawless and you can see yourself living there right away? Well, that's because of a service we use called Compass Concierge. And if you're thinking about selling your home, you'll definitely want to know more about this. So, what exactly is Compass Concierge? Basically, it's an amazing program that helps sellers like you prepare their homes for sale by covering the upfront costs of any improvements and repairs you might need. I'm talking fresh paint, new flooring, even staging. And I've even had clients use it for renting a temporary home and taking care of moving and storage until they buy their next place. So it really helps in so many ways. And the best part, you don't pay a cent until your home sells. Now, here in California, there are no upfront fees. It's just a flat charge of $750 at the end of the transaction. So you can get your home fixed up without worrying about paying anything out of pocket. And right now you can borrow up to $50,000. And if you need more, like up to $100,000, there's a small loan fee, but it's super manageable. Here's why this is such a game changer. I've got over 20 years of experience in real estate, and let me tell you, homes that are move-in ready, they sell faster and for more money. Buyers love homes they don't have to fix up. And when you make those cosmetic repairs, you're not just making it look good, you're actually adding so much value to your home. Think about it. You're putting your home on the market, but the kitchen's a little outdated or maybe the yard needs some love. These are the kind of things that can make buyers hesitate or even give you a lowball offer. But with Compass Concierge, you can make those upgrades without any financial stress. And get this, homes that are staged and cosmetically prepped sell about 73% faster than ones that aren't. And they can bring 5 to 10% more in offers. So even small, cost-effective upgrades like painting or fresh landscaping can make a huge difference. So here's how it works. First, we meet and we go over exactly what improvements are going to help your home sell for the highest return on investment. I like to think of this as the most bang for buck. Then once we have a plan, Compass steps in, pays for everything, and they just get reimbursed when your home sells. And like I said, no hidden fees, no interest, none of that. Just that $750 charge at the end of the sale. Honestly, Compass Concierge is a total game changer for sellers because it lets you show your home in the best possible light without any upfront cost. And this service is available to all Compass agents, so it's ready for you. So if you're thinking about selling your home and you want to see how this could work for you, let's chat. I'm here to help you through the whole process and make it as smooth as possible.
Hey guys, for more content similar to this, smash that like and subscribe button and we'll see you next time.